Hello everyone and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check exactly how much storage space you have left and which folders are taking up the most room, all using the command line. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, let's look at the big picture. How much space is free on your entire hard drive? So we can use the df command, which stands for disk free. So for that, open your terminal by going to the Apps menu, then Terminal. And over here, just simply type the simple command. Type df space -h. So we added the -h flag, which stands for human-readable. Without it, Ubuntu would show you the size in raw bytes, which is really hard to read. So after you press Enter, just look at the list. Find the line that ends with a single /. That represents your main hard drive. And you should also look at the Avail column to see exactly how many gigabytes you have left to use. Now, what if you want to know how big a specific folder is? For that, we use the du command, or disk usage. So let's check the size of your current folder. So just simply copy and paste the command over here. Paste du space -sh, and then hit Enter. So in this command, the -s stands for summary, so it just gives you the total instead of listing every single tiny file. The -h, again, ensures it shows megabytes or gigabytes. And the moment you press Enter, you will see a simple output, like 1.4 gigabytes, telling you exactly how much space your current folder is occupying on your disk. You can also target other folders without moving into them. For example, if you want to see how big your Pictures folder is, you can simply type the path after the command. Type du space -sh space Pictures, and then hit Enter. So as you can see, this is a great way to hunt down what is eating up your storage space without clicking through a dozen windows. So that's it. You now know how to check your disk usage and free space directly from the command line. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.